Good evening, friends and comrades. On behalf of All India Bank Employees Association, I am very happy to greet all of you on the glorious historic occasion of the 51st anniversary of bank nationalization in India. We are happy today, it's a holiday, Sunday, weekly holiday, and so we have taken the opportunity to organize this web seminar today, and we are very sure that all our viewers will be benefited by this program. At the outset, I welcome all of you, and I'm very sure that all of you will share the message of this seminar that we need to strengthen our public sector banks. We need to resist all the attempts to privatize the banks today, because we are by experience aware that in the last 51 years, in 5 decades, the public sector banks in our country have played a very phenomenal role in impacting on the economic development scenario in our country. And that is why public sector banks need to be protected, preserved, and taken forward. And the advocates of privatization have to be effectively countered. And on this occasion, we find that the banks are today facing only one problem. That is the problem of the increasing bad loans. We know banking is a commercial activity, and so there will be some loan which will not be coming back. But today, in the name of loans, there is a increasing tendency of systematic loot. And we find that people's money, which our banks are dealing with, are being squandered, they are being looted. And that is why this has been one of the core issues of the All India Bank Employees Association, that we can strengthen public sector banks, we can make them vibrant only if the loans given to these corporate people are recovered back. And to highlight that demand, yesterday we have released the top list of willful defaulters, by which we mean that they have taken the loan, they have the capacity to repay, they have the means to repay, but they have no intention to repay. They have diverted the money, they have siphoned out the money, and they have taken the money for different purposes, diversion. And Reserve Bank says that these loans are called the willful default. And those names, 2,426 names, involving an amount of 1,46,000 crores. Yesterday we have published the list, and that shows the who is who of India. They say gentlemen, but they are otherwise. And this campaign will continue. In the past, Tariq Chakravarti, our former General Secretary, has released a list, full list. Now we are again releasing. We hope government will take necessary action. And today in this seminar, we are very happy. Of course, our president, national president, Comrade Rajan Nagar, will be presiding over this web seminar. And to speak to us, to talk to us, we have a very intimate, close friend and well-wisher of the All India Bank Employees Association, Professor Babu Matthew. He is from the National Law School University from Bangalore. He is a long-time friend. He is totally committed to success of public sector and public sector banking. We are very happy at our invitation. Professor Babu Matthew has agreed to talk to us today, and he will be addressing us on the public sector banks, the journey so far and the task ahead. And we are very sure that his address and speech will be of immense benefit to all our members and also those who are viewing this seminar. I once again welcome all of you, and I request your cooperation in making this program a success once again. From the AIBA, our greetings to all of you on the significant occasion of the 51st anniversary of Bank Nationalization in India. I now request our President of the All India Bank Employees Association, Comrade Rajan Nagar, to give his presidential remarks, after which our main speaker, Professor Babu Matthew, will be talking to us. Thank you very much. Once again, I seek your cooperation to make this program a success. Now, over to our President, Comrade Rajan Nagar.